Hey everyone, it's Lynnea here for Pink and Maine, and I'm going to be creating a super quick set of 6 Valentine's Day cards. I have a son in kindergarten, and there are a bunch of kids in his class, right about 30 kids, so I need a way to make a bunch of Valentines quickly. And I am not a quick colorist, so I'm going to be doing just black and white images and having all of the color in my backgrounds. I'm using the new Conversation Hearts layering stencils, and I'm going to spray each of those layers with a thin layer of pixie spray, and that's just going to help my stencils stick onto my die cut cards. I used the notched corners dies, and I cut out 6 panels. I chose 6 because there are 6 little characters in the One Smart Cookie stamp set. I'm going to be making more than that, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to show you all 6. I'm using a bunch of ergonomic blending brushes. I have one for each color family. So I have one for my pinks and reds, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And I'm just going to create a rainbow effect on top of these die cut card panels. I'm just blending away, and then I will kind of wipe off in between each color because I like to, I call it over blend, where I will make sure that my colors are overlapping to make sure I get a good blend. Then I'm going to take those panels off and line them up again with the second layer of these Conversation Hearts layering stencils. It's very easy to do because I focused on the hearts with the dots and the stripes because they filled up the whole heart. And then I just made sure that the little love and cutie sentiments were centered in the hearts. I'm using the same color of ink, but a slightly darker shade to go over for the second layer. So I used a light shade for the first, that solid heart layer, and then a darker one for the secondary layer to create a tone-on-tone look. I have a half sheet of Nina cardstock here, and I'm just going to pull all 6 of these cute little characters off. And again, I'm going to be creating about 30 of these, so I stamped this multiple times so that I would have 30 characters, but for this video I just have 6 on screen, the 6 that are in the stamp set. I also stamped out their coordinating punny sentiments, and I used the large sentiment strip dies to cut those out. It's super quick, super easy, and I love how it has a finished edge. Now I went ahead and took the next size up of that notched corner die, and I cut 2 for each card that I need. So for this video I did 6, or 12 rather, because I have 6 cards, so I need 12. And on the one panel I'm going to score about a half an inch from the top, and then add a piece of double-sided tape and remove that and add a second one of those notched corner die cuts on top. Now after I made the 6 for this video, I actually kind of switched gears and I went with more of a postcard style for the ones for my son's class. So I didn't make them into full cards. They're kind of postcard style where he'll just write his name on the back rather than creating a card. And so that kind of helped me mass produce even a bit faster. So here are all 6 of those adorable little characters and sentiments from the One Smart Cookie stamp set. And I die cut them out, and I have them now on each one of these rainbow cards. That's it. Super quick, super easy Valentines for my son's class. I hope you enjoyed these. I am not good at coloring. I'm not quick at coloring, so I like to find ideas where the background can do all the work for me and I don't have to pull out my markers at all. Thanks for watching. Coming up on the screen are a couple more videos that I thought you might enjoy, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!